Ready?
Hold on. Go ahead.
Do I need to cock it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna hurt the shell.
You didn't like it?
I liked it, but
Christian, your turn.
watch out for the shells.
Hold on, get over there.
Put it back on safety? Yeah, put it on safety. Just load it.
Cock it.
Aim it out that way first.
Alright. Yeah, don't shoot through the fence.
Get closer, get closer.
Stick the barrel on the other. Look, right here.
Can I lay it down on the barbed wire?
Yeah, you can lay it down on the barbed wire, but do it like that. Shoot towards you.
This is gonna be like last year. Yeah. He has to kneel down. Did I do better than camera? Did you?
I'm recording you, recording me.
Cool.
Cool.
Here, go again.
Come here, Lexi.
Oh, yay.
Lexi, come on.
Get over here, stupid.
Is there any more in there? Rack it again.
Dad, look. I can't.
Pull the lever. You know how to do it. The lever on the...
Shut up.
Lex, come here. Lex. Lex, come here.
Take some out of the holder and put it in there.
Are those the same as those?
No.
Are they much harder?
The ones you shot were harder.
Oh. So these ones are softer? Yeah.
No, shoot out. You gotta shoot at the ground. Come here, Lexi. Lexi.
You gonna go?
Yeah.
Bitch ass out of here.
I was supposed to put this on YouTube with you cussing all the time.
Oh, man.